कंट्रोल द menace ऑफ पायरेसी। हम सबको पिक्चर, बॉलीवुड का भी शौक रहता है, पिक्चरें भी देखते हैं और ये इतने बड़े रूप में रोजगार का अवसर प्रदान करता है। भारत में अन्य क्षेत्रों में फिल्म बनाने का काम बहुत बड़े गति से चल रहा है, तो उन सबको रोजगार मिलेगा, चाहे वो तेलुगु में फिल्म बने, चाहे मलयालम में बने। अभी हाल में आप सबने शायद देखी हो, मेरे को तो पूरी पिक्चर देखने का सौभाग्य मिला। जो मजा आया, जो जोश था उस हॉल के अंदर, simplification of direct tax system to benefit taxpayers. Madam Speaker, for making the life of our direct taxpayers easy, we reduced tax rates more for the common man and middle class and made the interface with the tax department much simpler and largely faceless. Due to this, the tax collections increased significantly from ₹6,38,000 crore in 2013-14 to almost 12 lakh crore rupees this year. The number of returns filed have also increased from 3.79 crore to 6.85 crore, showing 80% growth in tax base. I thank the honest taxpayers of India for reposing faith in our government. Let me assure them that we have used their contribution to serve the poor and create better infrastructure. The Income Tax Department now functions online. Returns, assessments, refunds and queries are all undertaken online. Last year, 99.54% of all returns, इंडिविजुअल के हो, व्यापारी के हो, उद्योग के हो, सभी रिटर्न्स का, व्यापारी के हो, उद्योग के हो, सभी रिटर्न्स का 99.54%, 99.54% रिटर्न्स को एक्सेप्ट कर दिया गया जैसे फाइल हुए, बिना कोई स्क्रूटनी, बिना कोई अधिक कार्रवाई। Our government has now approved a path-breaking technology-intensive project to transform the income tax department into a more assessee-friendly one. All returns will be processed in 24 hours and refunds issued simultaneously. Within the next 2 years, और ये बहुत important बात है, within the next 2 years, almost all verification and assessment of returns selected for scrutiny also will be done electronically through an anonymized back office manned by tax experts and officials without any personal interface between the taxpayer and the tax officer. आगे चल के स्क्रूटनी के लिए भी आपको दफ्तर नहीं जाना पड़ेगा और किसका स्क्रूटनी हो रही है और कौन अफसर है, ये दोनों को एक दूसरे का परिचय नहीं मालूम पड़ेगा, वो कंप्यूटर के थ्रू एनोनिमाइज हो जाए। Reducing the tax burden on the middle class. Reducing the tax burden on the middle class has always been our priority ever since our government took office in 2014. We increased the basic exemption limit from 2 lakh to 2.5 lakh and gave tax rebate so that no tax was payable by persons having income up to ₹3 lakhs. We also reduced the tax rate from 10% to 5% for the tax slab from 2.5 lakh to 5 lakh and introduced standard deduction of ₹40,000 for the salaried class. Deduction of savings under Section 80C was increased from 1 lakh to 1.5 lakh. Deduction of interest for self-occupied house property was raised from 1.5 lakh to 2 lakh. इतने सारे प्रभावी कदम उठाए गए जिससे लगातार हर वर्ष मध्यम वर्गीय और खासतौर पे जो वेतन पाते हैं उन सबको लगातार कुछ ना कुछ लाभ देने के प्रयत्न इस सरकार ने पिछले 4 साल में 4.5 साल में लगातार किए हैं। स्पेशल बेनिफिट्स एंड इंसेंटिव्स were also given to small businesses and startups. Overall compliance processes were simplified. Threshold limit for presumptive taxation of business was raised from 1 crore to 2 crores. The benefit of presumptive taxation was extended for the first time to small professionals having threshold limit of 50 lakh rupees. In order to promote a less cash economy, the presumptive profit rate has been reduced from 8% to 6%. The tax rate for companies with turnover of up to rupees 250 crore, और ये लगभग 99% कंपनियां इसमें आ जाती हैं। 250 करोड़ तक के जो टर्नओवर की कंपनी है 99% कंपनियां इसके अंतर्गत आ जाती हैं। इनका भी टैक्स रेट 30 से घटा के 25% सरकार ने पिछले वर्षों में कर दिया। We have also made this 25% applicable to new manufacturing companies without any turnover limit. नए उद्योग को प्रोत्साहन देने के लिए बिना लिमिट 25% ही सिर्फ इनकम टैक्स रखते हैं। GST reform for benefit to consumers and businesses. The goods and services tax reforms lingered on during the previous government for almost a decade. Our government implemented the GST, which is undoubtedly the biggest taxation reform undertaken since independence. 17 different taxes levied by the central and state and union territory governments were, with cascading effect of tax on tax, were consolidated into one GST. India became one common market. GST has resulted in increased tax base, higher collections and ease of trade. This will reduce the interface between the taxpayer and the government for day-to-day operations and assessments. Now, returns are fully online and e-way system is in place. Interstate movements have become faster, more efficient, hassle-free, with no entry tax, check post, truck uses, सब इतिहास के पन्नों में चले गए। अब आसानी से व्यापार हो सकता है अलग अलग राज्यों के बीच में। The high taxation levied on multiple commodities in the pre-GST regime has been rationalized and the burden on the consumer, especially the poor and the middle class, has been significantly reduced. आप सभी जानते हैं कि GST काउंसिल में केंद्र सरकार है और सभी राज्यों की और यूनियन टेरिटरी की सरकार मिलकर GST काउंसिल में एक साथ मिलकर सब सर्वसम्मति से निर्णय लेती हैं। इस GST काउंसिल ने अलग अलग रेट्स, पुराने के रेट्स को देखते हुए अलग अलग रेट्स निर्धारित किए थे और लगभग सभी रेट ऐसे निर्धारित करने की कोशिश की कि जो प्री GST रेट से कम थे। Since then